Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Magic Mind. Today we're gonna explore about more things like once chocolate were used as currency. Which country could it be? What is the reason behind the sticker on fruits? And how will you feel when you stand at the bomb blast? You don't know this fact about Bill Gates, which is the biggest earthquake in the history. So come on guys, let's go and explore all these facts. I'm here to reveal all this for you, so don't skip this video. Watch till end and press the like button before entering. Guys, have you noticed this? When you buy fruits on supermarket, there will be sticker on fruits with 4 or 5 digit number on it. Have you thought what it is? Yes, there is a big reason behind this. If there is 4 digit number and the first number is 3 or 4, it means that fruit has sprayed with pesticides. So avoid this when buying. And if there are 5 digit and first number is 9, it means the fruit has been grown organically. So find this digit number on fruits. And next, if there are 5 digit number and first number is 8, so it means that is genetically modified. Yes, this is the reason under digit numbers. So be careful when buying the fruits. You will be seeing more Pluto images and you know how much big it is. If you walk around the Pluto, its distance about as walking from London to Denver. If you did understand, the Pluto is smaller than America. Have you ever think what will happen when you stand at the bomb blast? It will be little crazy, but the fact is if you stand at the nuclear bomb blast, while blasting you will feel no pain when you are dying, because you will die before you receive the pain to your mind. So don't try this at home. Guys, I'll show you an image. If you see this, what will you remember? I remember Kung Fu Panda character Shifu. Comment below what you remember, but this statue is not animation character. It represents all the laboratory mice that have sacrificed their life in laboratory to further scientific research. The scientists are honoring these rats. This is in Russia called Pamyatnik. This will be a mind-blowing. In 1969, English rock band planned to title their last album as Mount Everest, but they don't want to go so long trip to take Mount Everest to take the album photo. So instead, they named it Abbey Road, which was right outside their studio. I don't know how they got this idea. A boy named Tom and he is 7 years old. One day he told his friend that his uncle is Superman. All teachers and students didn't believe him and laughed at him. One day his mother calls to his brother and asks to take his son to school, and he did so, and everyone shocked to see his uncle. Of course, Henry Cavill, the actor of Superman character, but the boy didn't explain exactly. So guys, think at the Tom's point of view after with his uncle. If you don't know how much rich is Bill Gates, I'll give you a small example. If Bill Gates stops his all business and starts spending his money 10 million per day, he needs 735 years to spend all his money. I'll show this rat is called kangaroo rats. There is an amazing skill for these rats, that is the rat can live without drinking water, not for 1 day or 1 week or 1 month. It doesn't drink water in its entire. Once at Victorian period, there were times when men paid even more attention to their mustache than they do today. Besides the daily trimming and usage of special waxes, mustache lovers in Victorian enjoyed special inventions for protection of their facial hair, such as mustache cup. Yes, this invented by Harvey Adams, a British potter. That necessity was introduced in 1860s. Looking like a regular teacup, but it had a special add-on, the mustache guard. The solution was quite simple. A ledge was attached to the inside of the cup, with a small opening for the tea to come through. The ledge would stick to the mustache, preventing the hot beverage from touching the facial hair of tea drinker. The mustache cup was an instant success, sold widely throughout the Britain, and it became across all Europe and the United States. Mass production of this mustache cup began, and inventor became so wealthy that he retired after 15 years invention. Cups with different sizes were made using various materials too. The cup remained popular until the end of Victorian age and endured a decade and a half more, until World War I began and the mustache cup vanished into history. Today we can only find mustache cups in museums and private collections. Hey guys, have you heard about Baikal Lake? Baikal is in southern Russia. It is the world's deepest lake. It is estimated 5,387 feet deep. and its bottom is approximately 3,893 feet. Yes, it's nearly sea level. Lake Baikal is known also the largest world's freshwater in terms of volume. It is difficult to compare and how a lake in the middle of Asia could have a bottom that is nearly 4,000 feet, nearly to below of sea level. It is impossible to cut the deep in the middle of a continent. Lake Baikal is so deep, it is located in an active continental rift. The rift zone is widening at the rate of about 1 inch per year. As the rift grows wider, it also grows deeper through subsidence. So Lake Baikal could grow wider and deeper in the future. The history of chocolate began in Mesoamerica. Fermented beverages made from chocolate date back to 450 BC. The Aztecs believed that the cocoa seeds were the gift of Quetzalcoatl, the god of wisdom, and the seeds come from the god once had so much value that they were used as a form of currency. The word chocolate comes from classical neutral word chocolatl and entered the English language from the Spanish language. Guys, tell me. Guys, you know ladybugs have long been known to eat the gardeners, pestilent and other insects. There have been many attempts to use ladybugs to control these pests. The first attempt, and one of the most successful, was in the late 1880s when an Australian ladybug, Rhodelia cardinalis, was imported into California to control the cottony cushion scale. The experiment was expensive, but in 1890, the orange crop in the California tripled. Not as such experiment work. After the California orange success, over 40 different ladybug species were introduced to North America, but only 4 species were successfully established. And now scientists are searching new types of ladybugs to work on Master's command. Guys, comment below what you think about it. A man named Ken Morris, he picked an apple off a tree in his garden. He thought a prankster had painted half of it red and half green. But after inspecting it closely, he realized that markable split colors on the fruit were natural pigment. Really, he got shocked, and a bizarre apple turned Mr. Morris into something of a celebrity in his village, with scores of neighbors queuing up to take a photograph of it. Experts say that the odds of finding an apple with such a perfect line between the green and red are more than 1 million to 1. So we have to learn one thing is that an apple changes a man into a celebrity. He is a really lucky guy. So come on, let's go to next fact. I'll ask you a small question. Will you survive after freezing? You can't, but frogs can. Yes, the frogs can survive with freezing temperature by producing. I don't know how to pronounce this word, I'll try to pronounce. You learn from the displaying word. Cryptotectons, substances that prevent ice crystals from forming inside their cells. Guys, on May 22, 1960, the most powerful earthquake is recorded history. Magnitude 9.5 struck southern Chile. The rupture zone stretched from estimates ranging from 500 kilometers to almost 1,000 kilometers along the country's coast. The event was named after the city most affected by the quake, Valdivia. The Valdivia earthquake left 2 million people homeless, injured at least 3,000 people, and killed approximately 1,655 people. The economic damage totally 550 million, more than 4.8 billion adjusted for 2020 inflation. The Valdivia earthquake triggered a massive tsunami that raged across the Pacific. Waves waked coastal communities as far away as New Zealand, Japan, and the Philippines. In Hawaii, the tsunami devastated the coastal town of Hilo, killing 61 people. Okay guys, we are at the end of video. I think you enjoyed this video. If you want to explore more with us, my previous video link is in description. Go and explore those videos. If I am impressed you, please leave a subscribe while going and share this to your friends and family. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.